Hello, my dear students. How are you? Enjoying your days? But this is time to study. You have to watch this video. And in this video, we are going to study lesson 16 of your E.V.S book. And what is the name of the lesson? It's types of transport. Okay. And in the background, you see the picture of a train engine. Its wheel is moving. So it is also a means of transport. So should we start? First of all, I want to tell you there are three types of transport: air transport, water transport, and land transport. And there are other modes of transport like slow means of transport and fast means of transport. You see these two pictures, these are slow means of transport, and these two are fast means of transport. And I've taken this picture from your book only. Okay. Now it's the time for GK question. Do you know which is the oldest metro in India? Yes, this is a picture of Kolkata Metro. Kolkata Metro is the oldest metro in India, which was started in 1984. Okay. Now we come to A part questions. Number 1. How did people travel before the invention of the wheel? Second question, you have to think the answers. Second, name two means of public transport on land. Number 3, name two means of water transport. Okay, should I start telling the answer? Okay, I'm going to help you. First question is, how did people travel before the invention of the wheel? Answer is, people traveled on horse coaches and carts or just walked from one place to another. You see all the three pictures: horse coaches, carts, or they used to walk from one place to another. Okay. Now, second question, name two means of public transport on land: train and bus. Okay, now third question, name two means of water transport: boat and ship. Now we will discuss next question, B part. You have to circle the odd one. First, scooter, cycle, boat, car. Second is roadways, airways, waterways, train. Third, driver, chemist, pilot, sailor. Number 4, kacha road, pakka road, sea, and last is rail track. So you have to tell which is the odd one. From first point, you see boat is the odd one. Why? Scooter, cycle, car, these are the land transport. Okay. Now next, second, roadways, airways, waterways. Train is the odd one. Why? You know very well. These three are other ways, and this is this. What is this? This is a train. The train runs on the track, on the land. Okay? And these three are the different ways of transport. And this is the means of transport. This is a difference. So this is the odd one. Clear? Now let's move to number 3. Driver, chemist, pilot, sailor. Which one is the odd one? This is the odd one. Chemist. He's like a shopkeeper. Okay? And these three, driver, pilot, sailor, they have to drive some means of transport. Okay. Now the fourth point, kacha road, pakka road, sea and rail track. Which is the odd one? C is the odd one. Okay. Now let's move to next question. You have to identify the pictures and name them. These are the 4 pictures I've taken from your book only. So first of all, this is a boat. Okay. This is boat. Picture of boat. Second, this is the picture of helicopter. You identified it. Now third, this is the picture of a ship. I hope you are able to identify these means of transport. Now this is aeroplane. Okay. Now we move to the next question. D part, you have to match the vehicles with their homes, like taxi, bus, ship, train and aeroplane. You have to match with these, any one of these home, which is the correct one. Okay. Now first of all, taxi. its home is taxi stand. See the picture of taxi stand. Second is bus. So the home of it is bus stand. See the picture of bus stand. Number 3, ship. Its home is port. See the picture of port. All the ships are, यहाँ पर आपके सामने ships खड़े हैं. Okay, they are parked here and this is known as port. This is the home of ships. Now number 4, train. Yeah, its home is railway station. You must have visited sometimes to the railway station. You must have gone to the platform first. Have you traveled in a train? Okay. Now next, the last one is airways. That's a mean of transport. That is aeroplane. Aeroplane, where is it? What is its home? Its home is airport. See the airport. It's very enjoyable. I remember when I travel by plane, I really enjoy the journey. You must also travel sometime. Okay. Now the worksheet time. This is the last thing in your this chapter. That's the worksheet. You have to tell the correct mode of transport. You are going with your brother to get reservation for a film. How will you go? Which mode will you use? You will use scooter. Okay. Now you have to tell if you're going to visit a village across the river. Then which mode of transport will you use? You will use a boat. See, it's moving, it's sailing very slowly, very slowly. Okay, it's a boat. You will use boat to go across the river. Okay, now we come to the next point. That is, if you're going on a trip from Mumbai to Goa, then which mode of transport will you use? You will be using the train. Okay. If you're going to a McDonald's for a birthday party, then you'll be going by a car. You'll be using the transport mode as a car. Okay. I hope you enjoy eating burger buns and all these things, French fries over there. Yes, but these are not so good for your health. Occasionally, of course, you can have them. Okay. And if you are transporting some furniture items of carved wood to the USA, then which is the correct mode of transport? That is the ship. Okay. And if you are shifting your residence, means you are changing your home, going to some other place, then you have to use the transport truck. Truck, truck. And if you have to go to a school for hobby classes, then you will go by bus. Okay. So here is the end of your lesson. I hope you learned it very well, the lesson about transport. Okay. So I would say bye-bye to you and see you later very soon in my next video. Keep watching my video, students. Bye-bye. Take care. Enjoy.